So you can now deposit cash into your Cash App account, and I want to show you exactly how to do it, the limitations, and some information you need to know about this. Now, before we continue on, if you are somebody who actually still needs to sign up for Cash App, I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. It gives you a nice little sign up bonus for using that link, and it helps support out the channel so you get more free content just like this. We're loaded up here in real time with our Cash App, and so what I want to do is actually take you through the steps of understanding how this is going to work. So in the main page, if you see on the bottom left hand side, we currently have that $10 there. Sometimes it'll look like a little bank account if you have no money in the account for now. I'm going to take you to your account information, so you'll see your routing number and account number. So we're going to go ahead and then scroll down the page and see an option that says paper money. So from right over here, you're going to see where it says paper money. It says deposit at nearby locations. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on here. So what you're going to see here is a map of the current location where you're at, and then nearby areas that can actually go ahead and accept cash for your deposit. Now, one thing to note is they're going to be spread all across, so keep in mind that it's going to be different types of stores. For this example, I zoomed into a Walgreens, so the Walgreens is going to accept it. There's also like Family Dollar and a bunch of other types of convenience stores that will do this for you. So once you see an area that you're close by and can go and deposit, you're going to go ahead and click on Show Barcode. Now, once you do that, a special barcode is going to come up, and you can see there are certain pieces of information that you have to keep in mind. It says ask cashier to scan your barcode, obviously, so they know which account it goes into. There is a $1 fee per transaction. You are limited to one transaction per barcode, so it's a special barcode every single time. It says $5 minimum deposit, and then it says deposit up to $500 per transaction, $1,000 in a 7-day window, or $4,000 every 30 days. And it tells you, how long that barcode is going to be good for. You can click on done once you are ready to go ahead and finish up that transaction with the cashier, and then you give them that money. Obviously, it takes that $1 fee, and then that money will be available for you pretty instantly onto Cash App. Usually it can take up to like 5 minutes, but it's pretty instant once that transaction is done. And there you go. You have money in your Cash App account. Now, I want you to keep on learning how to utilize Cash App in all of its different functionalities. So check out my video right over here to keep learning more about it. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.